welcome to the Pyrenees Mountains. I'm on the border of Andorra and France, and I have hiked to the top of the mountain to do some filming. Today we have a beginner core workout. I hope you enjoy the beautiful surroundings, and let's get started. So what we're going to do is start off on our back. So we're doing a little bit of all angles today. So we are going to begin with some toe taps, and we're going to do some hundreds and some crisscross and some lots of different things, okay? So to start off with, fingers down towards your feet. And actually, before we begin, I would just like to set like a little theme, because I just saw some little grasshoppers jumping on my mat and it made me remember more mindfulness. So just bring your attention back to your breath. Long, deep breathing. Just tune out for a moment. You know, the world is so fast-paced these days. Sometimes we forget to slow down. And that's why moments like this are really, really important. And I understand that it is also easy to forget, because even I forget. So let's just do everything that little bit slower today. Let's bring our attention to our breath and to clearing the mind of any stress, any tension, anything that is no longer serving. And if you feel like you're going fast, slow down. If I look like I'm going fast, you don't have to copy me. I'm going to bring more mindfulness to my pace, because I know that I can go a little bit quicker. So we're going to do those next. Let's do some dead bugs first. So feet hip width apart. If you have an anterior tilt, just slightly tuck your pelvis towards the sky. If you have a posterior tilt, bring yourself to neutral. Take a nice deep 360 inhale. On the exhale, scooping through the belly to lift one leg up into tabletop, and then coming back down and taking an inhale. Exhale to lift the other leg. Inhale. The aim of this one is to keep your pelvis as still as possible. It's all coming from the control of the tummy. We're just hinging from the hip. If you'd like to challenge your stability a bit more, bring your hands up towards the sky. Two more. Breathing under your brace. On every inhale, we want to keep our tummy connected. Okay, fingers down towards the toes, and now we can go into our dead bugs. So if you need to prop a pillow under your bum, if you have an anterior tilt, that might feel quite nice. Okay, knees up at tabletop. All right, keeping the angle in line with the hips. Take your 360 inhale. So you should feel your back expand into the floor, and then as you exhale, you should feel everything scooping down from your tummy as you dip your toe in your bucket of water. And then inhale in the middle. Re-engage on your exhales. Deep breathing. Now for the next few, interlace your... Move my microphone. Oops, what have I just lost? My fluffy's fallen off. Hold the phone, everybody. Okie dokie. All right, interlace those hands behind your head and come into your chest lift. We're going to repeat the same. So inhale, 360 here. Now on the exhale, dipping the toe and coming back in, then inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now I'm going to reach an arm. Inhale. Exhale, reach. 2 more. Dropping those feet down. Okay, keeping the head in, supported by the hands, head heavy in the hands. Exhale, re-engage. We're going to curl up and we're going to reach and tap the toe and then inhale all the way down. Exhale, re-engage to curl up and tap the foot or the shin, wherever you can reach. And then inhale, control back down. Feel your tummy. Engage first and then reach and then come back down. So by slowing it down, we're being more mindful to our breath, to our movement, and you can feel things more when you go slow, but you can also feel things more when you speed up. So there is benefits of both, but today is just about winding down, tuning in. Last one. Now we're going to stay up and we're going to reach and reach and reach. Come back to center and other side. Reach and reach and reach. Come back to center. So inhale here. Exhale. Come back to center. Exhale. So we're doing 3 reaches on each side. One more. One more side. And back down. Nice. Okay, just pressing up into a glute bridge. Squeezing the glutes. Come down halfway, squeeze the glutes, come back up. Come down, so it's just to give the hip flexors a bit of a rest. Squeeze. Come down, squeeze. So anterior tilt people, you want to tuck your pelvis as you come up in your bridge. Posterior pelvic tilt people, keep your hips in neutral. Squeeze. So we're going to go for 6 more and then we're going back into some toe taps. Squeeze. Squeeze. 2 more. Squeeze. Last one. Squeeze. Okay, holding at the top. We're just going to raise the heels and lower the heels. Raise the heels and lower. Squeeze the butt as you raise and back down. Squeeze and back down. Squeeze, back down. Squeeze and drop all the way. Okay, last round of toe taps. So bringing your knees back up into tabletop. If you prefer, propping up your hips with the pillow or coming into a chest lift, you can. Take a nice deep inhale. Exhale. Dip your toe in your bucket of water. Inhale, center. Exhale. Four more. Engaging your tummy. Last one. And dropping down. Awesome. Okay, let's come onto our side. I'm just going to reattach my microphone. We're going to do some obliques. The sun. Oh my gosh, you should see the clouds right now. Bloody beautiful. Okay. All right, crossing the feet over, up on the hand. If it's too much on the hand, you can go onto your elbow. You might actually find it is harder on your elbow though. But it's up to you. So you've got the option. Make it harder on your elbow, easier up on your hand. on your knees, or if you want to make it harder, up on your toes. Okay, so we're going to lift. I hope it's not cutting you. Ugh, bloody hell. All right. Okay, holding here for 5, 4, 3, keeping your hips facing me, lifting up through the waist. Now we're going to inhale, lower the hip, and exhale, reach up and over. Inhale, lower. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Make sure that your hand is underneath your shoulder. It might move around, but that is okay. You can just wiggle it back. Inhale, slow. Exhale. Tuning into your body, tuning into your breath, clearing your mind. Holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Other side. It's so pretty. Okay, let's do the other leg. Hands underneath your shoulder. We're going to lift up onto the knee, and we are going to hold and breathe. Spread the fingers really wide, hips facing forwards. Lift up through the waist. The serenity. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slow. Lifting up. Inhale to lower. Exhale to reach. 2 more. Last one. Holding and breathing, lifting up through the waist. For 4, for 3, for 2, and 1, and relax. Nice. Okay, come onto your belly. Alright. Okay, let's do some of my favorites around the world. Okay, this is working every single part of our back body. So from our upper back, mid back, low back, butt, back of the legs. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is bring the shoulders down away from the body. Feel like you've got jeans on and you're sliding your opposite shoulder blades into your back pockets. We are going to squeeze the butt, lift the legs, reach the arms, and come back and down. Okay, that was not around the world. I just totally made that one up, but I liked it. So we're going to continue. Okay, so inhale, exhale, squeeze the butt, lift through the belly. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Inhale. Now, if it's too hard doing this all together, you can opt to do just upper body or just lower body. Okay, so exhale, inhale, reach. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale. Stay long through the crown of the head and through the feet. Squeeze the butt as you lift. Lift the belly button off the floor like you're not going to squash your butterfly. Bring your arms back and then back down. One more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale all the way down. Nice. So now we're going to do some Supermans. So we're going to do pretty much the same, but we're just lifting straight up and down. Now you have the option just to do lower body or just upper body or just some heel beats. Please listen to your body. And we are going slow. We're focusing on the squeeze and just being mindful to our breath, okay? All right, inhale, prepare. Exhale, lifting your belly away from your butterfly. Exhale, squeeze the glutes. Inhale, lengthen, come down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. What I'm going to do is have my feet at the edges of my mat, and as I exhale to lift up, I'm going to tap my feet close together, and then inhale, come back to the floor. Exhale, reach up and tap. Inhale. Exhale, reach up and tap. Inhale. That way I just feel like it's a bit more glute. Inhale. And if you want, you can bring your hands to your head. Two more. Last one. And relax. Sitting back into a shell. That's us completed for this really simple beginner core workout. Or maybe you're not a beginner, but you just feel like slowing down and being more mindful to your technique. You know, sometimes I love to do beginner level workouts and just see how I can focus more and more on my engagement, how I can just feel my tummy even more no matter what level I'm doing. And it's a really nice focus. Okay, coming into all fours just for a couple of, oh, the clouds are coming, a couple of cat cows. Oh, drop my fluffy. All right, spread the fingers, rounding through the back, and then slightly and slowly coming into a little bit of an arch, rounding through and slowly arching, rounding through. So you can always speed this one up. You don't have to do this whole workout slow, but today's focus was just on tuning in and clearing it out. Okay, and just looking side to side. And that is us completed. Thanks for joining me in the Pyrenees. I'll see you on the next workout.